Welcome to my chefing. My name's Chef Fred, and today I am bringing you a burger salad, a mini burger salad. Loaded, this is a keto lover's dream right here. If you're a keto person, or you're just a person who likes a lot of protein, because I'm definitely going to give you that, because I have turkey bacon on deck, I have your ground meat on deck, I have your cheese on deck, so those are your proteins. And of course, we can't forget the core of our nutritional aspect here, since it is Nutrition Month, our tomatoes, our mushrooms, our greens for our romaine lettuce, and another dose of protein is eggs. So what we're gonna do is make our mini burgers, which I've already rolled and formed into patties that have turkey bacon in them. You know, I can't let a day go by without adding my turkey bacon or adding some form of bacon because I love bacon. And so we're also going to sprinkle some more bacon on the top of it, and cheese, and a sunny side egg. Yes, we're going to do that today. So we'll be back with our vitamin content. Our ground beef, which has turkey bacon in it, and we also have turkey bacon right here as well. Our ground beef has vitamin B6, B12, iron, and niacin. And our turkey bacon, which is in here as well, has vitamin B6, B12, niacin, iron, and zinc. We have our 4 cheeses here. We have our cheddar cheese, which is vitamin D and calcium. Our Gouda cheese, which is vitamin B12, K, and calcium. Our Havarti cheese, vitamin A, C, D, iron, calcium, potassium. And our Swiss cheese, which has vitamins A, B12, and calcium. We have our wonderful greenery, which is our romaine lettuce, which is vitamins A, C, K, and folate. And we have our cherry tomatoes, which has folate, vitamin C, and potassium. And we have our wonderful healthy fat avocados, which has vitamin B6, C, E, and K, and like I said, healthy fat. And we have our mushroom, which is vitamin B1, B2, and niacin. And we have our egg that we're going to make sunny side, which is vitamins A, B2, B5, B6, B12, E, D, and K, and iron. And we're going to cook it in ghee, which is vitamins A, C, E, D, and K. We have our scallions, which is vitamins B1, B2, B3, and C. Our Himalayan salt, which is vitamins, which has potassium, iron, calcium, and magnesium. And black pepper, which has vitamins A, C, B1, B2, B5. Here's a real fact. Did you know that being food insecure during pregnancy can impact more than just the mom? Not only can the mom experience health problems because of this, so can the baby. So I am now gonna put my burger on the grill. And I'm just going to season with some basic salt and black pepper, nothing special. And in the interim, I'm also going to work on our sunny side egg. Going to multitask, so to speak. This is kind of, and these little, I love gadgets, if anyone knows anything about me. It's just here to kind of make sure everything just stays in place. Okay. Here. Okay. And the reason I use the knife is to prevent it from getting any shells inside. Bring it Hold on. And that's good. I'm just gonna put, this was ghee I had in here, and just some Himalayan salt. Put that over my heat just a little bit so it doesn't cook too quickly. And just some basic black pepper. A little more. Now I'm just putting some basic Himalayan salt on it. Just letting it cook up here. In the interim, I am going to get my lettuce here. Put my gloves on. Although I'm the one that's going to be eating this, but since I always talk about safety, I'm going to emphasize that. I am putting my cherry tomatoes. Usually like to try to get spread out colors. Okay, and so I take my mushrooms and I spread this right here. Spread my mushrooms all along here. So this is still cooking. So I'm going to cut my avocado with my non-harming. It's a serrated, it's like a faux serrated blade, but it cuts the avocado. If you're interested in this, I'll link it below, and it takes out your pit as well. So here we go. Now, I have to tell you, sometimes you buy an avocado and you really don't know what it's going to be like inside, if it's going to be good or not. So, I hope you're good, I hope you're good, I hope you're good. Let's see. Yay! It's good. So that makes my heart warm and fuzzy. And so I'm just going to cut it down here in a straight line. And of course, I'm going to go across. I want to show you the gem of how this removes your pit. Just stab it like this, turn it around, and your pit is out. There you go. And so now here's my spoon to take out my avocado that I just sliced up. And I actually kind of want to spread it around. So let me kind of get it here and kind of like spread it around in my bowl on top of my tomatoes, because the center is for my wonderful burger. Once it's complete, the way I like it, well done. You cook your burger however you like it. I'm cooking my burger the way I like it. Well done, thank you. Actually, you know, my whole family's like that. My husband, my son, we all like our burger well done. And I know for all you meat lovers, that's not how you should have it, but this is what it's all about, cooking to each his own, right? So I never like anything of the avocado go to waste, so I'll keep that. And move on. Let me cut some more. Again, just cutting it down across. And I just kind of squeeze it so the chunks can come out. And here we go. Here we go. on top of my burger. I'm gonna place the cheese on it. Because who doesn't love bacon, right? You know, that's my expression. Who doesn't love bacon? I love bacon. So I am going to put one cheese down here and put another burger on top and another piece of cheese on top here to melt. And we have another piece of cheese here, all these different cheeses. And now mind you, this is hot, but being a chef, I'm used to touching heat, so I wouldn't suggest you do the same. And I'm just kind of leaving it here. I'm going to lower my heat a little bit on the grill just so it can kind of melt. Oh my gosh, look how beautiful this salad looks. It looks so great that I really don't even want to eat it because it's so pretty. Well, but I gotta taste it for you, right? And let you know how everything is. And so this was all very simple in the sense of the seasoning here was just some basic salt, Himalayan salt and black pepper. And I have a little bit of ranch everything bagel as my dressing. Didn't make any dressing from scratch today. So I have my avocado in here, which I had showed you, my tomatoes. Oh, the yellow things here is plantain croutons. So here's my mushroom and my tomatoes and my turkey and my avocado, which is giving me a little bit of a hard time right here. So get some avocado in here to really taste. And you know, avocados, they like to be sticky wickies. And all right. Now this, I'm gonna grab this burger here. Ooh, because the yolk is already breaking down. And let's get some more green. Let a green never hurt nobody, right? Ah, now I can get a little bit basis more of my avocado here. Okay. Hello, cherry tomatoes. All right, let's go. And I'm gonna add a little bit of my dressing. I'm gonna actually have to get my knife. Now, let's taste this masterpiece. Oh, hold on, let's try to keep the masterpiece together first, right? Okay. So I will say this to you guys. You know how I feel, how I explained I don't like my meat medium rare. Well, guess what? My burger is a little medium rare. But you know what? Because it's so pretty and I have all this other goodness here, I'm going to eat it. It's so tender. It's breaking apart. See? Here it is. Super tender. That cheese. Let me get the cherry tomatoes. Oh man, let me get my greens. Can't forget my greens. And my avocado. Another piece of my burger. My medium rare burger. Delicious. Yes, and if you love burgers, but you want to try to eat a little healthier, who said you can't make a salad out of your burger? Out of your cheeseburger that you formed with bacon. Turkey bacon. This is a great alternative for just your regular hamburger. It's like a deconstructed salad cheeseburger because you had all your core ingredients for a salad and you had your mini cheeseburger with a sunny side egg. I think some places call that Burger Royale or Burger Royal. I just call it straight goodness. Listen, don't forget to hit the like button by giving us a virtual hug. When you do that, that lets us know, lets me know that you're enjoying what I'm putting out for you. And hit the subscribe button. What are you waiting for? Subscribe so you can know every time we put out a new video. And also, share. Share this wonderful recipe with your family. Sharing is caring. And when you share with your family, you guys can get together and maybe have like a mini party or something, or get together where you make some of these recipes and comment. Let me know what you did. If you use one mini burger, if you did the 2 small mini burgers the way I did, if you use a sunny side egg, if you use a scrambled egg, let me know what you did. Comment, because I do engage. Thank you so much for hanging out with me today. I really do appreciate it. And come back and hang out with me again so you can learn more new recipes. Thank you. Love you so much. Bye.